Hi, you guys. I'm going to make a video to show you how to log into Jamila's Seesaw just to make sure you know how to do that. And so you can access the meeting link on our daily schedule. So first you're going to go to this website, app.seesaw.me, and you're going to click on I'm a student. And then you're going to go down here to where it says text code. And then on this paper, let me see if I can get it, that I sent you guys, here is her code right here. So we get the code, and then we go back over here and we put it in here, and we press go. And then when I log in, here we've got an activity to do and another activity to do, but the easiest thing is to click right here on this picture of our schedule for today. And here is where you can click to join the meeting. So if I click on this, it takes me to this page. Hi, and then you would press join now. So let's go back here. And then to do the Seesaw activities, which Jamila hasn't been doing them, so maybe this will be helpful for you. Maybe this will be a way that you can access them easily. You press on the little link, and then it takes you to the activity. So this one is counting and writing numbers to 20. So what you do to do it is just press the green button that says add response. And then you're going to count and write your numbers. You can use a pencil or a pen and write your numbers to 20. And then when you're done, you press the green check mark. So hopefully that helps you. Please let me know if it doesn't. And hopefully you can join at 11. All right, you guys, talk to you soon.